Юг-сервер, оператор на связи. Предыдущий ролик, ребята, взлетел. Вы очень меня порадовали. Поэтому я продолжаю данную рубрику. И сейчас у нас будет компания GLA.
Many soldiers now struggle with the Eastern Flank, but as a result, our enemy has spread its defenses too thin. They have left important economic and civilian targets unguarded. This should be our next objective in our war against the global oppressors. Let us rise again, my brother. You can lead us to our final victory.
The time has come. Our cause is just, and our soldiers stand ready. We shall fall upon our foes like lightning from a cloudless sky. Look out! They shall flee before our righteous anger, and their armies will come to ruin.
Our plan is strong.
All of them!
It's still wrong.
Get them!
I will do my best. They must die!
Shoot!
Yes, I know.
Let's
Do I
talk
take up the GLA? These people will not be mocked. As you request. Ready and ready.
Take that!
I will carry you through. I will send a clear message. Nothing stops the mail. It is my purpose.
Ah! That will teach the Chinese. I killed 3! Vengeance is sweet. I killed 4!
Terror Squad, move to our mountain hideout and prepare for counter-attack. The Chinese are scouring the hills for our hidden base.
General, the Chinese are dug in around that hydroelectric dam. Destroying the dam will free the villagers from Chinese tyranny. The Chinese have laid claim to this peaceful village and are spreading their vile propaganda among these simple fishermen. We have rumors of a secret arms dealer operating in this area. If we can find him, we can buy weapons for our cause. General, our goal is clear. Destroy the dam. Make the Chinese pay for their arrogance.
We are going.
Right on
Yes, I
schedule.
know.
I have a delivery. Army
What?
high explosive bomb.
Hang on.
Scorpion GLA postal service. High explosive bomb loaded. Shipment on the
The
way.
village is guarded. Time
Here
for a
I
little
position
ambush.
myself as a vehicle. Nothing stops the mail.
We fear nothing.
There is one
Sorry.
approaching.
Find me a flashlight. Good idea.
The village is free.
Hang on.
Their men are rallying
Yes,
to
I
our
know.
cause.
It's
Yes,
still
to
run.
the tyrant, to
Run.
the tyrant.
Prepare to fight. We'll break him
I
down.
have a delivery.
We're under fire. We have the dam in our sight. Fire!
Right on schedule.
Such is the fate of our enemies.
Let's give them a surprise.
Your silence. Behold, doom has come to our enemies. Like a tide, we shall sweep over them and drown them in their own greed and evil.
What? Let's do some body work.
Ah! That will teach the Chinese.
My leader, our agents have learned that United Nations trucks and planes are en route to the Almaty region with food and supplies. On behalf of the oppressed nations of the world, the GLA should intercept those deliveries, that we might use them for our most righteous cause.
Convoy sighted. They have no idea we are here. Entering the village. Moving towards our ambush positions. The UN trucks are there, and the sheep are coming for their handouts. We are in position now. Supplies are dropped off, and the meddlers are moving away. Wait. Go now! Mow down the sheep and take what is rightfully ours! Die! These supplies are ours!
Our way is through. The way is
Do
clear.
not hurt me. I will do the best I
Cannot
can.
we
live in peace?
Let's get in the fight.
Ow!
Prepare to
I
fight.
will work.
What do you want?
UN convoys
We
are
are going.
delivering aid supplies to the villages in this area. We
Hang
can put
on.
the supplies to better
It's
use
still
than
run.
the villagers.
We are in the main village.
UN
get in
convoy
the
has
fight.
been sighted here.
No cost. What do you want? Great. We are going. Find me
I
a
will
parasite. We are going. Hang on. We'll break you down.
Well done,
Load
General.
it.
You have reached
Still
higher
run.
rank.
Load it. Hang
I
on.
will work.
It's still run. Find me a parasite. Our clan is strong.
Another
Our
supply
homes are
convoy
in
has
peril.
been sighted
It's
here.
still run.
I sense danger really near.
We'll break him down. Find me a parasite. Find me a parasite.
Ready yourself in the GLA
What do you
underground.
want?
Quick, ready
The
yourself.
convoy has entered
What?
the region.
It's still run. We take what we need. What do you want? What? We fear nothing. Find me a parasite. What's in it for me? We take what we need. What? Find me a parasite. Get out, quick! We take what we need.
A warrior has fallen.
Let's do some body work. They can be recycled. Our clan is strong. We are going. Hang on. We'll take him apart. Find me a parasite. Good idea. Yes, I know. We are going.
Well,
It's still
we are
run.
much closer to our goals,
Our
and
clan
soon
is
we will
strong.
have all we need.
Find me a parasite.
American
We
forces
take what
are
we
coming.
need.
Get
Our
ready.
clan is strong.
Do not hurt me. I
What?
will go.
Load it! It's still run. Find me a parasite. Find me a parasite. Hang on. What do you want? We are going. Nothing. Yes, I know. Hang on. Float it!
I will obey. I'm just a peasant.
We take what we need. Out of my vehicle, all of you! We'll take him apart. What do you want? We take what we need. It's still run. We take what we need. Our clan is strong. It's still run. Find me a parasite. We are going. We are going. We are going. Let's get in the fight. Yes,
An
I know.
American plane. Bring it down and
We'll
take
take him
what we
apart.
need.
Load it! What do you
Concentrate, all
want?
guns on the air.
I'm hungry.
The
What do
fool
you want?
Americans think their supply
What's in it for
airdrops
me?
will keep us from taking what is rightfully ours.
We'll
Use
take him
this,
apart.
the quad
Hang on.
to bring down
Still
their
run.
precious
Load
planes.
it!
We are here.
Well done,
Hang
General.
on.
You have reached
Yes,
a
I
higher
know.
rank.
Yes, I know. We'll break him down. Find me a parasite. What do you want? It's still run. It's still run. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
We have nearly completed our mission. Just
What?
a few more
I'll
supplies.
get there.
Supply plane spotted here.
Cannot we live in peace?
We take what we need.
I
What?
sense
Find me a
danger really
parasite.
near.
Load it! It's still run. Hang on. We are
We are ready
going.
for the American Air
Yes, I
Force
know.
this time.
Good idea. They can be recycled. We are going.
Gun them down if they
Yes,
get
I
in
know.
the way.
Float it. It still runs. Yes, I know.
A
Yes, I
warrior
know.
has fallen.
What can I go? We fear nothing. Hang on. Find me a crash site.
I will obey.
There are many
get
supplies hidden in this
for
precious
precious.
foreign aid. Bring it down
Destroy
and
them.
take what we need.
Let's get in the fight. Yes, I know. What do you want? Yes, I know. What do you want? Yes, I know. Find me a crash site. We are going. Hang on. Float it. We'll take him apart. Get out, quick. We'll break him down. Hang on. We fear nothing. We take what we need. Our clan is strong.
Guarding the GLA underground. Attack before
They
they
can be
attack us.
recycled. It still runs. Hang on. Yes, I know.
An
It still
American
runs.
Bring
Let's
it
do
down
some
and
body
take
work.
what we need.
Let's get in the fight. Yes, I know. Hang on. Our clan is strong. Float it. We are going.
We have attained our goal. $40,000 American
This
dollars.
supply pile is empty.
Our operatives have found allies in Astana, civilians prepared to rage against the Chinese and American aggressors. We can use this army of the street to harass the enemy. While Astana burns, our brethren can loot the city for resupply purposes.
All units, respond to city center. 5150 in progress at the old government building.
I am moving there now.
Looters moving along Xi'an Road near the bank district.
7th Street is blocked off. I'm going to have to go around.
A large crowd moving toward the center of the city. Unit 420 requesting contact with the railway district.
Alarm smoke. Going to take them down. We have a riot on hand here. Calling the riot squad. Still secure.
The red car will mobilize.
I can't get there. No more multi-degree. We have a riot on hand here. Calling the riot squad.
Incited the population of the city to riot. Use the angry mobs to collect resources for our cause.
I'm just a peasant.
Chase the Americans and French from this land. $40,000 by destroying the city, plundering the libraries.
Okay, I will work.
Let us see what they are up to. Keep me out of sight.
Yes. I'm just a peasant. Okay, I will work.
$40,000 American should go far to upgrade Legos
I'm
troops.
just a peasant.
GLA radar services. Legos tune in.
What do you want me to do? Cannot we live in peace?
Nothing is private.
Do not hurt me.
Let us see what they are up to. Let us tune in. What station warrior has fallen? Let's go where it is safe. We are halfway to our goal.
I will obey. Do not hurt me.
Let us tune in. You are doing well.
Cannot we live in peace?
Our warrior has fallen. What
station you need, General. Keep gathering money. We are almost at the goal. Oh, okay, I will work. Yes, does it have to be so far? I will obey. GLA radar services. Let us turn here. Let us see what they are up to. I'm just a peasant. I'm only just a few more guys, and our mission will be complete. The warrior is fallen. Cannot we live in peace? We have attained our goal, 40,000 American dollars. The warrior has fallen. The arrogance of America cannot go unanswered, my general. We must test our devotion to freedom's war and keep Turkey from their imperialist grasp. May our aim be true as we knock their superior air force from the skies.
This is Echo 6. Go to grid 781 and give us a sit rep.
Roger that, Echo 6. Iron Hand inbound. Echo 6, I've got a lock in a GLA vehicle. Aircraft spotted. I'm taking him out. Quickly, quickly! Be careful! Watch out! Watch out! Hurry, hurry! American cowards! Fight on the ground like men!
The American airbase to the west is causing trouble for us. Destroy it, and the Americans will be crippled. We will show the Americans they do not belong in these lands.
4 on the floor.
Prepare to fight. I will work. I'm hungry. I am finished with what I'm just a peasant. That building cannot fit there.
The Americans will use their air power to stop us.
I do not have patience for this.
Be sure to build enough stingers to repel their attacks.
We are much for the enemy. I am finished with
We've located the source of supply.
Yes. Our work does it have to be so far?
Hold it down and ready to take what we need.
Go on.
Beware Adrian batteries, they are dangerous.
U.S. forces in the
I do not have patience for this.
Sacrifice.
Bring up support troops.
Don't push me.
Apart.
I do not have patience for this. I'll get there. I'll get there.
Sacrifice.
Go on.
Puncture the next thing.
I am finished with
Don't
the
push me.
Yes.
Don't get on my bad
I'm
side.
just a peasant. I will do what I must.
4 on the floor. What?
Load it!
What? Yes, yes.
We'll take what we need. Find me a crash site.
We have mounted oil
Don't
derrick.
get on my bad side.
It's still wrong.
What comes
We are going.
Going.
What? Hang on. Yes, I know.
Destroy
Everybody
the
out.
The warrior
Cannot
is
we live in
fallen.
peace? Our land must be run for shelter.
Bolt it down and ready.
Okay, I will work. I will obey. I will do the best I can.
Don't get on my bad side.
must have justice.
What? We are going. We are going.
Our base is in peril.
Another one.
Let's get in the fight.
Quick, ready yourselves.
I'm just a peasant. Our work is complete. I'm hungry.
I'll make the sacrifice. Shh! I sense danger maybe near. I'll make the sacrifice.
What? Don't get on my pants.
I'll make the sacrifice.
Don't push me.
Guarding the GLA underground.
What do you want? We take what we
I'll
need.
make the sacrifice. Ready yourselves.
What do you want?
We are going. It's still run. We are going.
Hang on.
I am prepared. I love the crowd. This will make a difference.
You have reached a higher
Must be
rank.
preserved.
I do not have patience for this.
Our homes are in peril. We must have justice.
Don't get on my bad side.
A warrior
I
has
love
fallen.
the crowd.
Quad cannon. I'll get there.
Justice!
I do not have patience for this. Punch it. Begin stitching. Punch it. Start the machinery. Punch it the next thing. Start the machinery. Stop them dead in their tracks.
Search and destroy.
What? Start the machinery.
A warrior has
Yes,
fallen.
yes.
Our base is in peril.
Die, American!
We have a network.
Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this. They are brittle. Don't get on my bad side. What?
Guarding the GLA underground.
Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes.
I sense danger. I will die for our cause.
We fear nothing.
I will obey.
Our homes
I will
are in
go.
peril. Must have justice. I love the crowd.
Hang on. We are going. Hang
Go on the
on.
floor. They are brittle. Cannon.
They're using ground vehicles to attack us.
Yes. If that is
What do you want?
It's still Go on the floor.
A
Our
warrior
clan
has
is strong.
fallen.
Hang on.
I will die for our cause. This will make a difference.
Victory!
The Americans are really
Stop them dead in their tracks. Don't push me. Fall on the floor. Punch it. What? Don't push me. I'll get there. Yes, yes. Don't get on my path. I'll get there. They are brittle. Going.
Our work is complete.
Land must be preserved.
Don't get on my bad side.
Our base is in peril.
a warrior has
GLA
fallen.
underground.
What? Punch it. Stop them dead in their
Be
tracks.
sure to build enough stinger sets to repel the American attacks.
Huh?
Kill them all! We have located a Chinese spy
A warrior
outpost!
has fallen.
Chinese are watching.
We need more stinger sets.
Stop them dead in their
General,
tracks.
our land is being attacked. Courage will be seen by all.
Destroy
I
them.
love the crowd.
A warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my
I'll
bad
make the
side.
sacrifice.
Punch it. They are brittle.
Ow! Okay, I will work. We'll change your mind
What?
often.
Fall on the floor.
Yes,
I sense
Quad
danger
cannon.
maybe near.
Fall on the floor.
say so. I will do
Walk
what I
on the
must.
floor. I do not have patience for this.
Quick, ready yourself.
Quad cannon.
Our base is in peril. Maybe near.
Start the machinery. Punch it. Punch it. Begin stitching. Don't get on my back.
A warrior has fallen.
I do not have patience for this.
I am prepared.
Huh? Yes,
gun is ready.
yes. They will break and shatter.
We will not be oppressed.
Don't get on my bad side.
A warrior has fallen.
They are brittle.
Our work here is complete. Well done, General.
Huh?
General! Our land is being attacked!
Reports from the ARLC are not good. The Americans have taken control of our toxin storage facility. We stand to lose a critical weapon in our war of liberation. You must retake these storage bunkers. The bunkers in this area contain powerful toxins that will make perfect weapons for us. We need to control 4 bunkers to be able to replicate the poisons for our weapons. The Americans are guarding these bunkers.
Attack! Die, American! Destroy them and take what is rightfully ours! Ah! Look how the cowards run! America is only tiger on paper!
Even their hero runs from us.
Ignore the cowards! Secure the bunker! Wait! Get back! The Americans set a bomb! It burns! Get it off me! Ah! Cowardly dogs! They cannot even lose with honor! We will show them!
I will obey. I can't build there.
Our clan is strong.
Fresh out of the my own special brew.
I will work.
Prepare to fight!
No lack of courage.
Yes. I will do what I must.
Take us
Rocket
to
barrage
glory!
ready. What?
That was a lot of work. I will work.
Potency guaranteed.
We fear nothing.
Age
Our
to
clan is
perfection.
strong.
Do not hurt me.
What do you want?
Potency guaranteed.
Our clan is strong.
My own special brew.
The American base lies across that bridge. Control it, and they will be trapped under
Eyeless bill. Let's
We
go
take
for
what
a
we need.
stroll.
Load it!
Potency guaranteed. May take some getting used to.
The water is falling.
Hang on! Load it! We fear nothing.
Upgrade complete.
Moving into the US base
What do you
now.
want?
We will not be stopped.
We take what we need. Yes, I know. What do you want? Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
What do you want with me?
We fear nothing. What? Good idea. Run! What do you want?
I will obey. That building cannot fit
Ready
there.
yourself.
We take what we need.
Prepare to fight! We will not be oppressed!
Huh?
Fresh out of the We have generous portions.
Our clan is strong.
Our courage will be seen by all! Prepare to fight! Our courage will be seen by all!
Work. Building construction has been completed.
Don't get on my bad side. Going.
No cost is too great! The higher order shall reign!
I sense danger.
We have been discovered
Still
by
run.
American wipe out the
Load it.
Americans. Be ready to fight.
4 on the floor.
No cost is too great!
We fear nothing. Out of my vehicle!
In the
All of you!
GLA underground!
Building belongs to us.
What? Let's get in the fight.
Our courage will be seen by all!
What? I'll get there.
A warrior has fallen.
I will do my best. Our base is in peril.
All right, let's go.
What? Hang on.
We're coming up on the bridge. No Americans.
4 on the floor.
I will try my chance.
Fallen.
This may be painful. You say so.
Going.
What do you want?
Don't push me.
What's the job? I sense danger may be near. No one escapes.
The warrior has fallen.
I will make my own path. Of course.
My tank is full.
I ride alone.
I hear you. I move in the
The warrior
shadows.
has fallen.
What?
Do not hurt me. This
4 on the
is
floor.
hard work.
Don't push me.
Our will is strong. It is good.
Roads? How boring.
Would you like to try some?
Rocket barrage, ready.
What? Don't push me.
We fear nothing.
What?
Good idea.
A warrior has fallen.
Building construction has been completed.
Huh?
What's the job?
Going. Don't push me.
Preparing my tools.
Don't get on my bad side.
A warrior has fallen.
Kill the defenders. Take what is
Quad
ours.
cannon.
Die, Americans!
General, our land is being attacked.
Get on my
Area is
bad side.
ours! Glory to the GLA!
No one escapes.
4 on the floor. I do not have patience for
Ready
this.
yourselves. No cost is too great.
A warrior has fallen.
Okay, I will work.
I hear you. I will slip in.
Yes, yes. Don't get on my bad. 4 on the floor. Going.
I am waiting.
A warrior has
I
fallen.
will wait there.
Huh? Give me that.
We take what we need. Yes, I know. Let's get in the fight. Fight me. Our homes are in peril. Yes, I know. If you run.
Bury my tools.
A warrior has fallen.
I move in the shadows.
What do you want? We still run.
Our way is through. Our courage will be seen by all. I am waiting. I will slip in.
Don't get on my bad side.
No cost is too great. We will not be oppressed. Preparing my tools. Who's the target? He's in my crosshairs. Let's fight. I hear you.
A GLA splinter group has abandoned our cause and joined the Dragon to fight against us. This betrayal must be answered with righteous anger. Launch an assault on their convoys and sever the supply lines, then crush the traitors and their Chinese masters.
Quickly, get into position. Convoy spotted. Stand ready.
General, a group of traitors have abandoned the GLA cause. Our spies tell us they have made a deal with the Chinese to destroy us. The Chinese are giving them nukes to use against us. The convoy carrying the warheads is entering the area.
Stand
We
ready.
will ambush this convoy and use it to teach the world what happens to traitors.
Victory. The Chinese nukes are ours.
Move the convoy into the traitors' base, then detonate the trucks. Wipe them out, all of them. Their base is here. We have established this base here for your use, General.
I'm well prepared. The enemy may be near. It must be done.
Good hunting.
Nothing will stop me. On the way. The path is clear. It must be done. Let's get this over with.
I see the tunnel point ahead. Follow the direction and it will lead us right to the train controls moving through this area.
It must be done.
Attention, they've got a tunnel network here in the forest.
There are several patrols around. Keep your main forces back from the convoy, or the enemy will know they are together. Upgrade complete.
Attention.
On the way.
Not past regardless. I think this is going to work.
Let's get this over with. Nothing will stop me.
Patrol there. The traitors must know
I
we're in the
know
area
my
to have this
purpose.
many patrols.
Filled with surprises.
Yes.
Let's get this over with. I'm ready.
We've been seen. The traitors are not watching us.
We will not be oppressed. They will be killed. None shall stand in our path. Our day has come. They will be killed.
The warrior has fallen. Our forces have been discovered. Our work here is complete. Well done. This is the battle we have dreaded and prayed for, my brother. We must take control of the Cosmodrome from the Chinese and the Americans. The missiles there will serve a feast of deadly toxin on our enemies and start the true liberation of the world. My general, this is our destiny.
Repeat, all personnel proceed to Phase 4 station. Soyuz engine warm-up initiated. Temperature normal.
Is the vessel that will carry our message. They have prepared it for launch. We must strike swiftly if we are to capture it. Today we will meet our destiny.
The launch facility is heavily defended.
I'm just a peasant. Do not hurt me.
We will have to hit them with everything we have. Capture the ground control building and the launch pad. When the dust settles, we will emerge victorious.
That was a lot of work. Cannot we live in peace? That was a lot of work. I will work. Okay, I will work.
That is the ground control facility. We can use rebels to capture that building. We must capture the rocket so we can install the warhead.
Ready for war.
I will work.
Be on watch for the enemy.
That was a lot of work. Ow! Okay, I will work.
Upgrade complete.
Be on watch for the enemy. Our way is
Hold it down and ready. We take what we need.
ready for war.
I am finished with the building. I'm hungry.
Ready
Don't
for
change your
war.
mind with me.
What? We are going.
I'm hungry. I will go.
Prepare to fight.
Hold it down and ready.
What do you want with me? Can I have some shoes?
The enemy. Ready
We
yourself.
take what we need. Our clan is strong. What? Let's get in the fight. We take what we need. What do you want?
The tunnels will protect us.
What?
Quick, ready yourself.
We take what we need. Let's get in the fight. Our clan is strong. Float it!
Stay off the tracks!
What do you want? Let's get in the fight. We fear nothing.
Yes.
The tunnels will protect us. We will not
We
be
take what we
oppressed.
need.
I'm hungry.
Our land must
What do
be
you want
preserved.
with me? Cannot we live in peace? This hammer is heavy.
No cost is too great. Freedom fighters, attack! Yes, I go. We will
A
not
warrior
be
has
hindered. Guarding the GLA underground. That structure.
Do not hurt me. Oh, okay, I will work.
The tunnels will protect
Use
us.
rebels to capture the rocket. A warrior has fallen.
Our base is in perils.
Don't get on my bad side.
Prepare to fight. Our courage will be seen by all.
We have found a
The
refinery.
higher order shall
A
reign.
warrior has fallen.
Our way is prepared to fight. Freedom fighters, attack! We must acquire new land. We will not be oppressed.
Hold it down and ready.
We have
power is
captured the
low.
building.
I will go. You change your mind often.
It's still run.
A warrior has fallen.
Our way is through. No cost is too great. Order shall reign. The building belongs to us now. General! Our land is being attacked!
I'm hungry. You change your mind often. I will
No
go.
construction.
Our courage will be seen by all. Ahia!
Zaycem out here.
They will be killed.
I'm just a peasant.
Our courage will be seen by all. The higher order shall reign.
Need a point, man?
Our homes are in peril.
Let's take the building.
Our way is through. Ahia!
That one's
We will
A
not
warrior
be
has
hindered.
fallen.
I will obey. Do not hurt me.
I do not have patience for this.
No cost is too great. Nothing will stop us. Their tools may serve us well.
Capture the launch pad.
The building is ours.
I will obey.
Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for
Our
this.
base is in peril.
Want to make some improvements?
I'm hungry.
Quad gunner. Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for this.
The higher order shall reign. The building belongs to us now.
Bring on the scaffolding.
We will not be oppressed. Ready for war.
What?
Our power is
Land
low.
must be preserved.
Army's elite.
No cost is too great. We must take what is ours.
Don't get on my bad side.
Well done, General.
That
You
one's
have
done.
reached a higher
Foot on
rank.
the floor.
General!
Don't
Our
push
land
me.
is being
Don't push me.
attacked.
Need a delivery,
I'll
General?
get there. Huh? Going.
The tunnels will protect
Ready
us.
for action.
Quad gunner.
I sense danger, Mini.
Foot on the floor.
A warrior has fallen.
Get it, my friend. Quad cannon. Stop them dead in their tracks.
I got the goods.
The building
Ground control building.
Four on the floor.
Yes, I do what I'm told.
Prepare to fight.
Ground control is now
Wanna make
working.
some improvements?
We must keep this building
Yes, I
safe.
do not have
General.
patience for this.
Need a delivery, General?
Four on the floor. Quad cannon.
Let's fight.
Laying the foundation.
You want the best? Here I am.
I've seen it all. Let's get the action.
Need a delivery,
Don't
General?
get
Keep
right
it safe.
by side.
Blades in motion.
Huh? Don't push me. Special forces here. What's the story? What?
Loading
What's the mission,
U.S. quality. Right on schedule. I'll get it there. I'll get it there. Everyone out, wait! Attacking!
Don't push me. What? I'll get there.
No cost! It's too great fight!
There's not enough room for that building.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Don't get
Our
on my
power
bad
is
side.
low.
I'll get there. Down to our level.
Our base is under attack!
A warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon.
Colonel Burton here.
Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this. Cut them down.
We have captured the building.
The American base has been crushed!
Да. Я
My
снова.
glory is out.
Нет, Китай был тяжелее все-таки. Ой, я смог.
This day will be a glorious one.